Hey guys, welcome to the channel. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं और भी कुछ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. So let's go. मुझसे मिलो, meet me, meet me. मुझे रुकने दो, let me stay, let me stay. यहाँ रुको, stay here, stay here. यहाँ इंतज़ार करो, wait here, wait here. कल मिलेंगे, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. मुझे फ़ोन करो, call me, call me. मुझे फ़ोन मत करो, don't call me, don't call me. इधर देखो, look here, look here. ये किसने किया, who did this, who did this. मैंने किया, I did this, I did this. कमरे में जाओ, go to your room, go to your room. आराम करो, take rest, take rest. शांत रहो, keep calm, keep calm. दिमाग से काम लो, use your brain, use your brain. मुझे सच बताओ, tell me the truth, tell me the truth. हमेशा ईमानदार रहो, always be honest, always be honest. मेरा विश्वास करो, believe me, believe me. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है, are you sure, are you sure. तुम्हारे पास क्या है, what do you have, what do you have. मेरे पास नहीं है, I don't have, I don't have. मेरे पास सब है, I have everything. Thank you for listening to the video. Do subscribe, like और share भी करना मत भूलना.